Ground Skyhawk 710 Sierra Papa, north ramp with Victor. We'd like to taxi, we'll be departing westbound.
Skyhawk 710 Sierra Papa, Spirit Tower, Spirit Ground rather, runway 26 right, taxi via Echo.
26 right via Echo, 710 Sierra Papa.
Spirit Ground, Skyhawk 30 Tango Lima.
I said tower. That was a mistake on my part, I'm not sure. But
North 30 Tango Lima, Spirit Ground.
He's got me confused.
30 Tango Lima, north ramp, Victor, and we're going to be VFR northbound, ready to taxi.
Clear on the left, clear on the right.
30 Tango Lima, runway 26 right, taxi via Echo.
26 right via Echo.
There's Liam for taxi. Wind's pretty much dead, so we'll just kind of hang out here. Welcome aboard. This is my first aviation video. I guess it'll be my first full-length video. Right now, we're just going to be departing Spirit of St. Louis Airport. Be heading westbound, probably over to Hermann, Missouri. It's 63 Mike. It's a good little place to just kind of mess around, do some touch and go, stuff like that. They got a runway 25 and 09er. Yeah, I guess a 07, something like that. It's reciprocating of 5 is. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but it's there. So yeah, winds are 190 right now here at Spirit. They're pretty calm. Pretty laid back day. Pretty nice day. It is cold. It's extremely cold. Over here to our left, you guys might be able to see it before I take off, is actually where the world famous Captain Moonbeam flies out of. Over here at Helicopters Inc. at Spirit of St. Louis Airport. Disclaimer, do not go visit him. Do not show up at his place of work. I'm just going to throw that out there. But yeah, he's our local celebrity. So I hope to fly with him one day. Jim, if you hear this, one day I'd really like to fly with you. I think
it'd be full stop back to Elite, 4 instructor drop off. Still pass off.
Be fun.
Cessna 44 Charlie, turn left Delta, contact ground point 7.
All right, before takeoff, make sure it's going to Rich. Fuel shut off valve is full in. Go ahead and light the plane up. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the pitot heat just because it is cold outside. Doors and windows closed and locked. Make sure everything's closed and locked. And normal takeoff. We're going to be flap 0. Throttle's going to be full open. Mixture's rich. We're going to lift it up to 55. Climb speed's going to be 70 to 80. And we're not going to have flaps in, so we don't have to worry about pulling the flaps. We're going to go give tower a call. 26 right is confirmed. So here we go.
And Spirit Tower, good morning. Skyhawk 710 Sierra Papa's holding short 26 right. Maybe VFR westbound.
710 Sierra Papa, Spirit Tower, on course approved, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, on course approved, 710 Sierra Papa.
All right, make sure the approach end is clear. Departure end is clear. Got a guy taxiing up behind us. We're going to confirm 26 right on the runway. This thing's probably going to climb like a bat out of hell because it's like 20 degrees outside right now. I imagine we're going to get a nice little climb out. We just don't want to bust the Bravo, but it's a 5,000 foot shelf here though. All right, we're going to go sterile cockpit. 6 right is confirmed. Go ahead and line up. Feet on the floor. Apply power. Airspeed's alive. Instruments are in the green. Not too sure what all that noise was back there. It's a little alarming.
Spirit Tower, Skyhawk 30 Tango Lima, hold short.
Kind of static right.
Skyhawk 30 Tango Lima, Spirit Tower, right turn on course approved, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Right turn on course, clear to go 26 right, 30 Tango Lima.
Alright, engine instruments look good. Go ahead and run through our en route climb checklist. We can go ahead and turn off our landing taxi lights. Turn off our strobe lights. We do have a helicopter out here 300 feet above us.
Spirit Tower, helicopter November 64 Alpha Echo. Helicopter 64 Alpha Echo, Spirit Tower. Yeah, we're just going to track the 08 left, RNAV inbound. We'll break it off early for right traffic for airback ramp. Helicopter 64 Alpha Echo, roger. Proceed as requested. 64.
Alright, we're monitoring our engine instruments. We got a helicopter out here somewhere. 600 feet below us now. Keep it down. We got the Missouri River right here. Not sure if you guys can see it. No, it's off to the side here. Go ahead and get this baddie in coordinated flight. Put some trim in there.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 0 Sierra Papa.
30 Tango Lima, frequency change approved.
Tango Lima, roger.
Spirit Tower, helicopter 399 Papa Hotel on the Silver Ramp, like a eastbound departure towards Cardinal Landing. Information vector.
Helicopter 399 Papa Hotel, Spirit Tower on course approved. Departure from Silver Ramp, be at your own risk.
122.8. That way we can just listen. We got a plane out here. It'd be 2,000 feet below us though. Alright, there's 4,500. Pitch power trim. Pitching nose down. Go ahead and put that power back. Smooth. Alright, we'll go ahead and program the GPS over here. Direct to, we'll enter the nearest, enter. Pull that out. Okay, oh there it is. I was going to say, direct to, enter, 32 miles.
10 Sierra Papa, 3.5 north of the field, be entering right downwind runway 25. Be a full stop, Herman. Herman traffic, 7100 Papa is entering a right downwind runway 25, full stop, Herman.
Alright, we were at beam our touchdown point right there. Like I said, we do have some high lines, so we're just mindful of those. Alright, below 110, flaps are going to 10, and we're pitching for 80. Go ahead and make our base turn.
Herman traffic, 7100 Papa, right base, runway 25, full stop, Herman.
500 feet. Power lines in sight. We're well above them. Flaps 20. Herman traffic.
Herman traffic, Scott 7100 Papa is turning short final, runway 25, Herman.
Alright, once we get over the top of the power line. Alright, we're over the top of them. Go flaps 30. Alright, we are here.
Herman traffic, 7100 Papa is holding short, runway 25, be doing a quick run up, Herman.
I'm only going to do the run up on the ramp just because there's hangars and stuff all over there. So, run up, doors, windows, close and lock, flight controls. Brain correct. Flight instruments, check and set. But at 310. Mixture is going rich. Fuel selector valve is on both. Elevator trim is set for takeoff, going up to 1800 RPM. Left mag looks good. Right mag looks good. There's about 50 for the both, so they both look great. Vacuum gauge looks good. Oil pressure looks good. Everything looks good. Go ahead and pull it out. I forgot to check the alternator. Alternator works. Going to idle. Idle works. Going back up to 900 RPM so we don't foul the plugs. Make sure the mixture is rich. Set for takeoff. Make sure that we don't have any type of trim issues. In the event while I was inside, somebody didn't come out and sabotage the plane even though it was like 5 minutes. Alright, we're going to do a short field takeoff. Flaps are going to 10. We're going to apply full brakes. Throttle is going to be full open. Mixture is going to be rich. Brakes are going to be released. Elevator is going to be slightly low, 50. We're going to climb at 56. And we don't have any obstacles. And then we're going to retract the flaps after 60. Before takeoff, flaps are set for takeoff. Elevator trim is set for takeoff. Transponder is set to altitude. It'll go in the altitude mode when we take off. Fuel shutoff valve is full in. Mixture is rich. Doors and windows closed and locked. Lights are on, and we're going to release the brakes.
Hermann traffic, Skyhawk 7100 Pop will be taking runway 25. Be making right traffic, runway 25, Hermann.
Verify we have 25, we have 25. Alright, coming in. Engine instruments look good. Brakes are released. He's already wanting to get in the air. There's 50. Ooh, she's wanting to climb. Atta girl. Obstacle's clear, nosing down to 62. We're pitching for 75.
Hermann traffic, 7100 Papa is turning right crosswind runway 25, Hermann. Hermann traffic, 7100 Papa is turning right downwind runway 25, Hermann.
Top of the green arc. All right, we're going to make this one a short field landing, full flaps. We're going to touch down. I'm going to try and touch down on the numbers, and then pull the flaps up and all that stuff. All right, C-gumps, gas, gas, gas. Undercarriage is down. Probably full forward if we had one, and mixture's rich. 1500. Below 110. Flaps are going to 10. We're looking for 80. Verify both flaps are down.
Hermann traffic, 7100 Papa is turning right base runway 25, full stop, Hermann.
I turned in a little too soon, but that's okay. All right, below 80. Flaps are going to 20. Verify both flaps are down. Got a bird. Oh boy. Okay. I wouldn't have normally done that. It's so erratic, but turned right toward me.
Hermann traffic, 7100 Papa, short final runway 25, Hermann.
All right, there's 60. Is made. I wasn't quite on the numbers, but it is what it is. I think we would have made it.
Hermann traffic, 7100 Papa's back taxi in runway 25, Hermann.
think we still got stopped in a good amount of time. All right. Got time for about, well, we got time for a soft field landing and then have to call it a day. All right, approach end is clear. All right, soft field takeoff is going to be the same as a short field takeoff. It's just the fact that we're gonna go ahead and rotate whenever the plane wants to rotate and stay in ground effect. And then once we reach 56, we'll go ahead and pitch up for 56, stay at 56, and then we'll go from there. Once the obstacle's clear, 62, I'll pull the flaps. All right, set for takeoff. Flaps going 10, mixture's rich, fuel shutoff valve is in, lights are on, doors and windows closed and locked, brakes released, and that's another thing too, is we're not going to use brakes, but we do want to use up every bit of the runway.
Herman traffic, 710 Sierra Papa is taking runway 25. Staying in the pattern, Herman.
All about energy management. I'm like to the floor. All right. Power's going in. Airspeed is coming alive. Engine instruments are in the green. Stay in that ground effect. There's 56. All right. Obstacle is clear. We'll go ahead and nose down. 62. Flaps are coming up. Verify the flaps are up. Pitch for 75.
Herman traffic, 710 Sierra Papa is turning right crosswind, runway 25. Herman.
Look behind us here. Make sure we got a 1,500 feet.
Herman traffic, 710 Sierra Papa, right downwind, runway 25, full stop, Herman.
All right, C-gumps, gas, 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 undercarriages down, mixture's rich, prop is forward, cleared for to land, landing lights are on, master switch is on, prop will be full forward, seats and seatbelts secured and fastened, and we're to beam our touchdown point. Below 110, flaps are going to 10. We're looking for 80. Verify if both flaps are down, they're down. Go ahead and put some trim in there.
Herman traffic, 710 Sierra Papa is turning right base, runway 25, Herman.
All right, below 80, flaps going to 20. to be a soft field landing, going to be the same as a short field landing. We're going to be looking for about 62 to 65 on final. We're going to keep that tail low and use aerodynamic braking. We're not going to touch the brakes. We're going to try not to. If it gets out of control, we're going to have to use them. All right, we're going to feather that throttle in. We're going to make an assessment on what the wind's going to do to us once we get closer to the ground. I used to be able to rudder pedals whenever I got close to the ground, but then I just learned that you don't really overly need them until you're in ground effect. Want to keep lifting that left wing. All right, we're gonna have to use some brake because I'm at full idle and she ain't stopping. It's always good. Somebody knocked the end of the runway lights off. Make sure that we note that. And honestly, the windsock is actually, windsock's all over the place. Can't make up its mind. Tell you what, I'm going to take off from right here. Just because the one, I know there's no traffic in the area, and two, the windsock is actually in favor of runway 7. So we do have an obstacle at the end. Actually, I'm going to short field it out of here because we actually really do have an obstacle at the end of the runway. We've got high lines. So, yeah, short field takeoff. Wing flaps are 10. Brakes are going to be full apply. Make sure it's going to be rich. Slightly low, 50 indicated. Go ahead and set that for takeoff. And 56, once we clear the power lines, I'll nose down for 62. All right, before takeoff, flaps are set for takeoff, elevator trim set for takeoff, transponder set to altitude, mixture is rich, fuel shutoff valves and lights are on, doors and windows are closed and locked, and brakes are going to be released.
Hermann traffic, 7100 Papa will be departing runway 07, the departure to the east. Hermann.
And then go ahead and release that. Power's coming in. Engine instruments look good. Brakes are released. We're rotating at 50. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but he was definitely trying. Try and get the most altitude we can. Alright, we'll well clear the power lines in the event that something did happen. Alright, 62. Flaps coming up. Pitching for 75. Go ahead and break out that climb checklist. 70 to 85. We're looking for 75. Go ahead and pitch up for that. And lights is required. We can go ahead and save some money on some lights. And engine instruments will monitor as we climb. 3,500 is going to be our final cruise altitude. 38.5 miles to Spear to St. Louis. All right. Go ahead and put this away. Flaps are going to 30. Situated in here. Showing 2 red, but we're actually kind of high. I do not trust those Pappy. Or Vassy.
St. Louis ground, November. Spirit Tower 727 Sierra Papa holding short runway 26 right, ready for takeoff. Sierra Papa, taxi straight in.
Straight in with you, 710 Sierra Papa.
727 Sierra Papa Tower on course approved, or make right close traffic, 26 right, clear for takeoff. 727 Sierra Papa, make right close traffic, 26 right, clear for takeoff.
And 727 Sierra Papa, 26 right, clear for takeoff, right closed.
Alright, we'll go ahead and clean the plane up. That's it for us. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.